everyone, it's Sharon and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be going back to my roots, which is Daiso. Yeah, I am such a Daisoholic person. I don't know if you watch my videos or if you are already been subscribed to this channel, but I did a lot of videos on Daiso products on this channel. So today I went to Daiso to pick up really some Christmas decors, but I saw something there. But before I get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you will not be missing out any of my videos. Okay, wag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Let's jump right into this video. I wanted this video to be done as quick as I can para, I've been posting a lot of long videos and some of you are a little bored, so let's jump right into it. So these are the products that I saw from Daiso. It is a lip gloss. Yes, it's from the brand SPINNS. Yeah, there are a lot of different brands already that is available at Daiso, and this one in particular is from SPINNS Kansai collection. So what really intrigued me is that the color of the lip gloss, this one is in gold, and this is how the sample looks like your lips, and then it changes to like something here from gold. I don't know, so very interesting product to try. And the other one is this one. So this is a blue one. It is color blue lime, as you can see, and the sample color, this is your lips, and then it turns into like a pinky color. I don't know, it's interesting because it's blue and then it will turn like this. So kind of excited already to try this on my lips. So let's get started. So first things first, I just wanted to point out that this is made, of course, in China. Most of the products are made in China nowadays, but some are also made in Korea. But this particular lip gloss is from China. So this is how my lips is looking. I did not apply any lip balm or, yeah, it's pretty dry. It's cold. It's already autumn, so kind of dry. And let's see how this too will perform on our lips. I think I'm gonna try the gold one first on my lips. So let's see. Yeah. So satisfying. So that is how the lip gloss looks like. It says, why not? Why not? SPINNS. Here's my lips. Let's see. I need a mirror. Wait a second. Now I got my mirror. This is the gold one. Let's try this on our lips. With our bare lips. Nothing really on my lips. And it's so cracky. Hopefully the camera is gonna, show some justice on this one. Feels good. Yeah, it's not sticky. Let's add more. So this is how it looks like on my lips. I think it doesn't look gold. Yeah, it doesn't look gold or anything. It just makes my lip look shiny, and the feeling is like it's not sticky compared to other, cheap lip glosses. It feels comfortable, and it feels like more on like the one that I've tried, yung lip oil nila. Yeah, that same feeling. It's not sticky. I like it. Bongga. I like it. Because yung other lip gloss talaga namumurahin, guys. It feels like pag ginanon mo yung parang I don't know how to describe it. Basta parang may slow motion na pag nag-separate na yung lips. So, ganyan. But this one, wala. And it doesn't have, let me smell it again. If kung may smell siya. Kasi mostly sa mga, you know, mumurahing lip gloss, ang pangit ng smell nila, di ba? So, I'm gonna smell this one if pag may amoy ba siya, yung parang, yung paint or something, yung parang iwi na, yung mumurahin, I don't, para, basta yun, na-try na yun, di ba? Yung parang mga mumurahing lip gloss or mga lip tint, ganyan, may smell talaga sila na parang, weird, and basta yung ganun. But I'm gonna smell it now, okay? Doesn't smell anything. And let's taste it. It doesn't taste anything as well, unlike with other, you know, cheap lip glosses, cheap lipsticks, cheap yung mga matte na lipstick, may taste talaga siya. Pero this one, wala. Then naman, i-try natin itong blue. Yeah, let's try the blue one. Yeah. So satisfying to open products. Ayan, so why not, spins? Let's remove the the gold. So I noticed na parang may oil and something yung parang glitter dito sa sa loob. So I'm just gonna mix it para ma-mix sila together, tapos even yung pagka-distribute niya sa ating lips. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, dito. Parang may mga speckles of glitters dyan. So now, let's try it on our lips. Oh, sana hindi maging blue yung aking lips, no? Okay, the moment of truth. Here's my lips. Oh. So this is how my lips is looking like using the blue lame. So I didn't notice any blue lame or like blue glitters on my lips. My lips still looks like I'm just applying a lip gloss or a lip oil from Daiso. So I don't know where the blue went, but yeah, it doesn't look blue. My lips doesn't look blue or anything. It doesn't look weird. It's just glossy. So the same with the other color, the gold one. This doesn't have any. It doesn't have any smell. Yeah, and it's not sticky. It feels moisturizing actually, guys. You know. So let's take another look with my lips using yung blue lame. Now let's talk about what I think about this lip glosses from Daiso from the particular brand SPINNS. So let's talk pros and cons, I think, para mas clear. So starting from the pros, I think for me now is Daiso's really step up its game when it comes to their lip glosses, lip oils, because unlike before, I feel like yung mga lip glosses or lipsticks nila, weird yung feeling sa lips. It's so sticky. Yeah, but now it is, I'm gonna compare this with their lip oil. This is so hydrating, surprisingly. I am surprised because this is 100 yen, and mostly, like I've said in the beginning, most of the cheap lip glosses feels weird and sticky to the lips, but this one doesn't feel any sticky at all and feels hydrating as well, surprisingly, and making my lips like, you know, glossy but not in a bad way. Next is wala siyang amoy. It doesn't smell anything, so that is a one checkpoint for me na walang smell yung anything that I put on my lips, because I have sensitive nose. My sinus gets irritated whenever I put something that has smell on my lips, because malapit siya sa nose, obviously. Then I would smell it and then I get runny nose because my nose is sensitive, like I've said, ulit-ulit. Then lastly, it's very, very affordable. It is from Daiso. It is only 100 yen plus tax, 110 yen. Kasi 10% na yung tax, so 110 yen for this lip glosses. So for the cons, I don't think there is a con on this product. At first, I was expecting it to look a little blue or like something magical. But con ba yun? I don't think it's a con, right? This is like gold and blue. Yeah, it's not something that you really wanted to expect on a lip gloss. So for me, I guess there is no con about this product. It is amazing. Oh my god, really amazing. But truly it is amazing, guys, kasi I wasn't expecting it to like feel like this. Like I've said, it doesn't taste weird, it doesn't feels weird, it hydrates my lips in a good way. It feels so soft right now already compared to the beginning where it's so crusty because it is so cold outside. Yeah, I think there is no con. Ha! Clap, clap, clap on me because I think I did a good purchase today from Daiso. Definitely, I will be using this one. This is going to be perfect putting it on top of the lipstick because this one leaves a very good like color. I'm gonna try it on top of the lipstick. Wait a minute. I don't know if you could tell from the camera, but blue really looks so cool on top of the Vice Cosmetics lipstick. Ooh, yeah. It made it look a little cooler because that lipstick was more on the warmer side, but it looks so amazing. See that? Love this. So, yun lang ang masasabi ko sa product na trinay natin today, which is a lip gloss from Daiso. I highly recommend this, you guys. If you wanted to try makeup products from Daiso, definitely check this one out. It's, yeah, hindi kayo magsisisi. Oh my God, what is that? Basta yun, it's really good. It's 100 yen only. You cannot beat the price. Yeah, parang ano lang siya, if I'm going to compare this sa Canmake or sa Sisan, mas gusto ko siya kasi yung lip gloss ko from Zan, medyo sticky feeling siya. And this one doesn't do anything like that at all. Ano lang siya, parang oil that glides beautifully on your legs. So, on your lips. So, highly recommend this one. Better check this out from Daiso, their lip gloss from SPINNS. So I think that's all it for today's video, and hopefully that this has helped you, and also nag-enjoy din sana kayo while watching this video. Yeah, ang dami talagang mga nice things doon sa Daiso when I went there, and I was so tempted to buy, makeup kasi it's been really a long time that I haven't used any Daiso makeup. Hopefully in the future I'm gonna try that one for you all kasi yung mga eyeshadows and stuff, yeah, really there's a lot, but there is another Daiso product that I wanted to try and I also bought kanina lang, so watch out for that kasi that will be our next Daiso makeup product that we are going to try on this channel. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. Thank you always for tuning in, mga friends, and hopefully I will see you all on the next one. Bye!